Hi, I'm Diane and I'm your guide in the course. Looking forward to meeting you online. I started my career at Dreadshop in the warehouse, packing orders and doing other behind-the-scenes tasks. A couple of months later, extra hands were needed in the salon. I didn't have any experience with dreadlocks, so I learned everything hands-on, installing synthetic dreads, creating and maintaining real dreadlocks. I love this work because I get to make people happy every day. So many clients are hesitating for years to make the step to finally get the dreads. And when they finally decide to do it and come here in my chair, it's amazing to get to feel more like themselves. When people come in for a maintenance, it's not as big a transformation, but they still feel their dreads feel like new and refreshed after the appointment is done. Besides that, I love working with my hands and being creative. It's great to see the students get more confidence the more they practice, and when they run into a difficult part of the course, it's great that I'm able to help them, give them tips and advice so that they can back to it with renewed confidence. A lot of times I see that students want to master that technique right from the start, but it takes time and commitment to learn it. The most valuable part of the course is that we get to share our many years' worth of knowledge with the students, and we guide them every step of the way. You can watch the videos as many times as you like, or just keep it running while you practice your technique, day or night, whenever it suits you. Students can get very perfectionistic, which can get frustrating because it's not possible to do everything perfectly on the first try. Being a perfectionist myself, I can reassure them that they need to be more patient with themselves. Just do it!